James, it's time.
Time for what?
Time for war.
What do you mean?
We're going to war.
Who did you piss off?
No, nobody, man. But we're going to war on hot rods and custom cars because they're getting too damn expensive these days. That's not what hot rods are about, right?
All right.
Yeah, yeah. No, yeah, dude, trust me. Come on. Dude, just what? Come with me and you'll see a land of budgetary restrictions.
This is our 1964 Mercury Comet. I inherited it from my dad and we're building it using mostly free parts. The only piece we've paid for so far is the Ford fuse box, $40 from the junkyard. We used that last episode to wire up some heated power seats from our old Audi 200 project, which you can watch up at the corner there. Now we're getting the old bird back on jacks to completely patch and rebuild the rotting structure of the Comet, so it'll be strong enough for future plans.
One and a two and a...
Fight me!
Oh dear God, no. Oi, Zoink Scoob! Now the dirty backside. I was really hoping that would last longer.
That's what she said. Nope.
If I were a jack stand and I wanted to go onto a body that was 90% Bondo, where would I start?
Metal!
Looks like we have some solid frame back here.
I don't know what metal he's talking about. All I see is a war zone and nothing but holes. But with some good music, a nice cold dunks, I think we can get her back up in tip-top shape. The biggest issue with the rear quarter panels, we're going to go with more of a fiberglass approach with this. And it'll be easy for us to do, you know.
In the meantime, we drained out the gas tank.
All right, Jay. Hey, where's the flash? There's the flash. All right, James, do we think I did? Oh, wow. Look at that nice varnishy fuel. Do we think I drained out all the fuel?
Probably not.
Wow.
There's going to be residual on the line.
Ye of little faith. But yeah, probably gonna some of that residual with it. She don't want to budge. You don't understand this one. He's a fighter. The boy's a fighter.
He's a fighter. He fights the right way.
Nice. Nice. It's not coming out the tank at the least. I'll take that. How we doing, partner? Huh?
That one bolt down there is kind of strippy.
Ooh, we got a stripper. Nice.
They're good people too.
We'll get that out and get it prepped for bodywork.
We got a lot of taking apart to do.
Yeah, I know, but one step at a time, right? This is just another step.
Yeah, we're not going to start the body work yet until pretty much a decent amount of this is gutted. Like, we need to get the interior out. But you're going to be along for the journey, so you'll see a lot of that as we move forward. But
Hey!
So from here, we started setting up for our next shot, most of which we weren't able to use, but not before an old joke reared its ugly head.
Shelly. Go with the truck. We might need a truck too.
We're going to be stripping down the car, getting it ready for both quarter panels to get cut off the car.
Yeah, we already have a totally different approach for the quarter panels, and we cut so much footage every episode, it's not even funny.
Good luck!
Oh, we're done. Finally did it. You want to just put Tesla seats in here?
Well, you know who would have made a great Voldemort? David Bowie. He's fucking phenomenal, wow.
Do you have this on a time lapse or full vid?
Oh.
fairness, I should explain to you exactly what it is that I do.
Will? It's looking more naked now. For sure.
Hello there. Back to work. Another day on the Comet. Let's get right into it. There's my boy. All right. My other boy, James Brown, is in the back. Yeah, so we got the interior. Oh, careful! Oh, are you being attacked by a loose vine?
No, it's just my friend's garage.
In the last half of the time-lapse footage, we got the interior ripped out and a lot of odds and ends taken off. But we're going to finish getting the front and rear off today now that things have been soaking in PB Blaster for a little bit. James Brown, folks.
We still have a front, a rear trim, well, some trim that may or may not come off or ever go back on.
What?
Then don't worry about it.
What? What?
And then when we get to the second half,
What?
have you seen half the trim on this car?
It's fine.
We might be doing different trim.
So clearly we still have a lot to tear into on this, but it's all going to be coming together and on a really tight budget too, which is a good thing. You can do this yourself at home for like basically nothing. Hopefully, by the end of this. We'll find out. It's a journey. It's a process. You got to get through it to get into it, you know? And you got to get into it to get through it. So let's get into it.
It's so cold back here. Everything is rotted.
It's kicking my ass.
And there's no more welds. And the rear corners are need to come apart.
And I don't know where James is right now. And there's rust in my eyes.
And Colin walked away 30 minutes ago. And I don't know where he went. And I really don't know.
She looked over at me with a glazed eye and some bovine perspiration on her upper lip area, and she said, "Just get me wasted, and you're halfway there, 'cause if my mind's tore up, then my body..."
Ah, well, this just scared the hell out of me. I'm going to have to take care of this immediately. And here's where I divide the audience, because honestly, I don't hate the look of it kind of like that, huh? What do you think?
It goes down a little better. You can get that Mustang look to it.
Dude, make it into like a Frodo or something? Sporty? Oh my god. Look at the extension on those control arms though. Whoo-wee. I'll step by... Oh, and I like that missing bracket on the fender. Step by step, folks, we're getting there. Alright, I'm gonna keep working on the front of this after I help James get the rear end off. Well, no, I want to help you the same way you just helped me on this, that's all. So we'll get to it. So I worked on trying to get the front bumper off, while James dealt with the rear bumper, which was in much worse shape. His hardware was welded into the frame, and that ended up breaking loose. So I broke out the welder, and eventually we just ended up sawzalling it off, because nothing else was going to work at that point. We're going to be cutting down that broken bolt. That stripped rounded bolt.
I wonder how it got stripped.
How did it get stripped, James?
Well, it would have been funnier if we... The dangerous blade. The one that can hurt. The one that can leave a mark. But, in my defense, here you go, Colin.
Yes.
You
Level up.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Oh, also, by the time this video goes up, and as long as it stays there, we're at 500 scoobas.
Yeah, da da, yeah, da 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 da, yeah, da da da.
Thank you for the 3 people who still stick with us day in and day out.
To the 3 active subscribers that we have, one of them being my mother, thank you very much. I love you. You're the most important people in the world to me. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and we will provide the best that we can, as we always have tried to do. Wow, this is all cattywampus.
Cattywampus.
Yeah, that's the 100-year-old slang for all.
Okay.
Dude, just do the thing.
I'm trying to
Just
do the thing.
thing.
I'm
man.
trying to
Just
do the thing. It's not doing.
We'll be right back after these messages.
A runabout. I'll steal it! No!
I hope you enjoyed that commercial break, because now we're back, and we figured out the difficult things with this.
I think the stroke length of this is probably going to overshoot the actual bolt. But we'll find out once we're in there. I don't actually think this part is going to fit up against the frame. Oh, we'll find out once we get in there. My eyes are gray. You get lost in the sea of dead behind them. I don't know, something about him. He always just seemed a little dead behind the eyes. Now James seems a little dead behind the eyes, I tell you
A
what.
little bit. I've been dying for years.
I don't know. I still don't know what it means, but somehow he embodies it.
Good thing there's more than one pair of safety gooses. Bro, it's shaking the entire...
I know! It's shaking my entire world!
Big prizes!
Just like that. Hello, welcome back to Tire Fire. Alright, well, looks like we got a pretty good game plan together here. We got everything mapped out like we needed to. What say you, buddy? We're gonna do some structure repair in the next episode?
Lots of structural repair. But it's going to be fun, and I can't wait for you guys to see what happens. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you, Kevin. Kevin, you hear me. And I know you can. Kevin, I'm happy for you. You're gonna love the next video.
Dude, seriously, and I've been talking to John too, like, listen, John, this next one's for you, brother. You're really gonna like this, I promise. I know that you haven't been happy with all of our stuff. We did a little bit of Dragon Ball stuff, that was kind of weird, but trust me, stick until the next one. You're gonna love it, J-Bo.
We'll see you in the next video.
Tire Fire, out!
Oh, I was supposed to...
You were just, I wish you just followed
This is why I'm...
No, what if, wait,
No.
hold on, what if we take it again, and you point at the camera this
No,
time?
it's done. It's over with. You got no talent. I remember walking Bob Dylan down stage.
I watched Bob Dylan on stage in 1967, who the hell are you?